The old saying goes, "You are what you eat." It's especially true for seniors who need to be more mindful of their diet than ever before. A poor diet can accelerate the aging process, while eating the right foods can help you maintain your health and vitality well into your golden years. So if you're a senior or you care for one, keep watching to discover the top 15 superfoods that will help you stay young after 60. No. 1. Salmon. As we age, it's natural to experience some cognitive decline, but eating salmon can help keep your mind sharp. This fatty fish is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to improve brain function and memory in older adults. They're packed with fiber, vitamin A, and various antioxidants that can help support healthy vision, skin, and immunity. Sweet potatoes can be baked, mashed, or roasted, and can be a satisfying side dish or snack. To keep your blood sugar levels in check, make sure to include the skin, which contains most of the fiber. Green tea is a beverage that's gaining popularity for its numerous health benefits. It's a great source of folate, which is essential for maintaining healthy vision and preventing age-related macular degeneration. They're packed with protein, healthy fats, and vitamins such as biotin, which can help maintain strong bones and prevent hair loss. Citrus fruits such as oranges, lemons, and grapefruit are packed with vitamin C, which can help boost the immune system and aid in the absorption of iron. They're packed with healthy fats, protein, and fiber, as well as various vitamins and minerals, including vitamin E, which can help protect against cognitive decline and certain types of cancer. Almonds can be consumed raw or roasted and can be added to salads, yogurt, or smoothies. They're also a good source of fiber, which can help maintain healthy digestion. Eating citrus fruits can help prevent constipation and other digestive issues that are common in older adults. They're packed with omega-3 fatty acids, which can help reduce inflammation and improve brain function. Walnuts can be consumed raw or roasted and can be added to salads, yogurt, or smoothies. Eggs can be boiled, poached, or scrambled, and can be included in breakfast, lunch, or dinner. Remember to consult with a healthcare professional or a dietitian to determine the appropriate portion sizes and frequency of consumption for each food item. Thank you for watching and subscribing. And please like and share this video if you think it will be helpful to someone else. Stay healthy and happy. For seniors who have difficulty swallowing, soft-cooked eggs may be easier to consume. Spinach can be consumed raw in salads or cooked in a variety of ways, including steaming and blending into smoothies. It's packed with antioxidants that can help boost the immune system, improve brain function, and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Green tea can be enjoyed hot or cold and can be consumed before or after a meal. Pumpkin seeds are often overlooked, but they actually a very nutritious snack that can help support prostate health in men and prevent urinary problems in both men and women. They're a great source of vitamin E, which can help maintain healthy skin and prevent age-related cognitive decline. Avocados can be consumed in salads, sandwiches, or as guacamole, and can add a delicious and nutritious boost to any meal. They're packed with healthy fats, protein, and zinc, which can help boost testosterone levels and improve sperm quality in men. Red bell peppers are a great source of vitamin C, which can help strengthen the immune system and improve wound healing. They're also a good source of beta-carotene, which can help maintain healthy vision and reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration. Red bell peppers can be consumed raw in salads or cooked in a variety of ways, including stuffing, grilling, and roasting. Pumpkin seeds can be eaten raw or roasted and can be added to trail mix, yogurt, or smoothies. However, it's important to note that green tea should not replace water as the primary source of hydration. Salmon is also a great source of protein and vitamin D, which is essential for strong bones and a healthy immune system. It's high in antioxidants and compounds that can help lower blood pressure, improve brain function, and boost the immune system. Garlic can be added to a wide variety of dishes, including soups, stir-fries, and marinades. And if you're concerned about its strong odor, try using garlic powder or supplements. These tiny fruits are packed with vitamins, minerals, and fiber, making them a great addition to any senior's diet. It's a great source of vitamin C, which can help support the immune system and aid in the absorption of other nutrients. Broccoli can be steamed, roasted, or grilled, and can be added to salads or stir-fries. For extra flavor and nutrition, try broccoli sprouts, which are available in some grocery stores. They can be eaten fresh, frozen, or dried, and can be added to smoothies, oatmeal, or yogurt. If you're looking for a tasty and nutritious snack, reach for a handful of blueberries instead of sugary treats. To keep your body running smoothly, aim for at least 2 servings of salmon per week. You can enjoy it grilled, baked, or even smoked. Just make sure it's cooked thoroughly to avoid any foodborne illness. No. 2. Extra virgin olive oil. Extra virgin olive oil is a staple of the Mediterranean diet, and for good reason. This versatile oil is packed with healthy fats that can help lower inflammation and reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. It's also a great source of antioxidants, which can help protect against cognitive decline and certain types of cancer. When choosing olive oil, look for extra virgin varieties which are unrefined and have a higher smoke point. Use it in salads, dips, or marinades, or simply drizzle it over your favorite dishes for a delicious and nutritious boost. Number 3. Blueberries. Blueberries are not only delicious and high in antioxidants, they can also help improve heart health and cognitive function. No. 4. Sweet potatoes. Sweet potatoes are a nutritious and delicious alternative to regular potatoes. No. 5. Garlic. Garlic is a flavorful ingredient that can do wonders for your health. Number 6. Broccoli. Broccoli is a cruciferous vegetable that's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Number 7. Green tea. Number 8. Spinach. Spinach is a leafy green vegetable that's packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. No. 9. Eggs. Eggs are a versatile and nutritious food that can be enjoyed in many different ways. Number 10. Citrus fruits. Number 11. Almonds. Almonds are a nutritious and convenient snack that can help satisfy hunger and prevent overeating during meals. Number 12. Pumpkin seeds. Number 13. Avocados. Avocados are a creamy and nutritious fruit that's packed with healthy fats, vitamins, and minerals. Number 14. Red bell peppers. Number 15. Walnuts. Walnuts are a delicious and nutritious snack that can help improve heart health and cognitive function. Eating a balanced diet that includes a variety of these superfoods can help seniors maintain their health, vitality, and independence as they age.